So here exercise 3.2 question number 2, in that first question we will take. So before taking this point, on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations are intersecting at a point, or whether they are parallel, or whether they are coincident. That we have to find out. And before going to solve this one, we have seen that is a1 by a2, if it is not equal to b1 by b2, okay, if it is not equal to b1 by b2, then this is called intersecting at one point, so that is also called as consistent, and also called as it has got only one solution. Okay, like this, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and which is not equal to c1 by c2, then this is called as parallel lines, and they are not meeting at any point, and they have got no solutions, and they are also called as inconsistent. Okay, and if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and which is also equal to c1 by c2, then they are called as coincident lines, and also called as consistent lines, and they have got many solutions. This we have seen in the theory portion. So we will take up first portion. So here in the first portion, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Second one, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Here what we have to do, first we have to see the ratios of the coefficient of this x portion and y portion and the constant portion. So here a1 means this is a1, b1, c1. This is a2, b2, c2. So a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7. Okay. And now we will see b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equal to what? Minus 4 by 6. Okay. c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by minus 9. See here, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So this is also equal to minus 2 by 3. And this is equal to 5 by 7 only. This cannot be simplified further. So this is also same, minus 8 by 9. So here what happens? This a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. You see the condition. This is the first condition. a1 by a2, that is 5 by 7, is not equal to minus 2 by 3. So this condition satisfied. Means these lines are intersecting at one point and they have got unique solutions, and they are also called as consistent. Okay, in this way we can find out. So now we will go for this second one, that is second portion. Okay, this is the first portion. So second portion, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Then 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. See here, a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 18, which is also equal to 9 ones are 9 twos are. This is equal to 1 by 2. So here b1 by b2 is equal to 3 divided by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. This is also equal to 1 by 2. See the second condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So we will see third one. So c1 by c2 is equal to 12 divided by 24. This is also 12 ones are 12 twos are. So here 1 by 2. So here this is the third condition is satisfying. That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is also equal to c1 by c2. If this condition satisfies, means this has got coincident lines and many number of solutions, infinitely many number of solutions, and they are coincident, that is one above the other lines are there. These are the two lines. So here what happens, they are intersecting. Okay, this is intersecting, this is coincident lines, and we will see this third portion. So third one, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 6 divided by 2. So that is equal to 2 ones are 2 3s are. That is equal to 3 by 1 or 3. So b1 by b2 is equal to, b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 1. So minus minus cancel. So this is also equal to 3. c1 by c2 we will see 10 divided by 9. This cannot be simplified further. This is 10 by 9 only. So here this is second condition, it is satisfying. That is a1 by a2, which is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. So if this condition is there, then these lines are parallel lines. These are parallel lines and they have got no solutions. No solutions and they are consistent also, inconsistent. Okay, these are both are consistent. This is consistent and this is consistent. This has got only one solution. This has got infinitely many solutions. This has got no solutions. Okay, we will go for next question. In this question also, exercise 3.2, question number 3. Here also we have to compare the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and also C1 by C2, and also find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So we have to analyze these equations and we have to tell whether these equations are consistent or inconsistent. So we will take up this first question. So here first one, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, and second one, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So A1 by A2 is equal to 3 divided by 2. Okay, and B1 by B2 is equal to 2 divided by minus 3. C1 by C2 is equal to 5 divided by 7. Okay, see here, this is 3 by 2, this is minus 2 by 3, and this is 5 by 7. So first, by considering these two, that is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So means it has got only one solution, and also we are interested only in consistent or non consistent. This is consistent. So we will see the second portion, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. See here, you can take this constant term into the LHS also. So like this, 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 also we can write. So 4x minus 6y minus 9 also we can write equal to 0. So here by considering this one, so A1 by A2 is equal to 2 divided by 4, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are. This is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 6, which is equal to minus cancel, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So here 1 by 2. And here minus 8, C1 by C2 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 9. So minus cancel, only 8 by 9 is remaining. So here you can observe here A1 by A2 is also equal to B1 B2. So here, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. That is second condition. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. In this condition, what happens? It has got parallel lines. Okay, and this is inconsistent. This is inconsistent. So third portion will take. So 1, 2, 3, third. So here 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y minus 7 equal to 0. This 7 I have taken LHS. So first we will solve this one. See here, you can take LCM. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 9x plus 10y minus 42 equal to 0. So here this can be written as 9x plus 10y minus 42 equal to 0, because 6 is multiplied with the 0, it will become 0 only. This is the first equation. So second equation, 9x minus 10y minus 14 equal to 0. This is second equation. Directly they have given this one. Okay. Now here A1 by A2 is equal to 9 divided by 9, which is equal to 1. So B1 by B2, here 10 divided by minus 10. So this is equal to minus 1. Okay. This is minus. So C1 by C2 is equal to minus 42 divided by minus 14. So 7s are 21. Okay. 7 1s are 7 3s are. So this is 3. Here all are not equal, means first A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. This is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So this condition means it is consistent. It has got only one solution. So now we will go for fourth one. Okay. 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. So here a1 by a2 is equal to 5 divided by minus 10. 5 ones are 5 2s minus 1 by 2. Here b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 divided by 6. This is also minus 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 here. We will see c1 by c2. This is c1 by c2 is equal to 11 divided by minus 22. You can take these two terms into the LHS also. So then it will become 1 will be minus, this will be plus. So 11 ones are 11 twos are. This is minus 1 by 2. See, all are equal here. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. When such condition is there, they are coincident lines, and they are also consistent. So this is consistent. This is what? This is also consistent. And we'll see this portion. So here fifth portion, fifth one, 4 by 3 x plus 2y is equal to 8. First we will solve this equation. 4 divided by 3 x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So LCM we will take. So this 3 will be the LCM. 4x plus 6y minus 24 equal to 0. This 3 will be multiplied with the 0, cross multiplied. So this is 4x plus 6y minus 24 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Second equation will be 2x plus 3y equal to 12 means minus 12 equal to 0. So this is second equation. So here a1 by a2, here 4 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. This is equal to 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are equal to 2. So c1 by c2 is equal to minus 24 divided by minus 12. So 12 ones are 12 twos are minus cancel. This is also equal to 2. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this is coincident lines. These are coincident lines, and they have got infinitely many solutions, and they are consistent. This we want consistent. So this is consistent. Okay.